Hey guys, welcome to the first part of the first person survival series. And in this video, I'm gonna set up the environment and the map and like the player. And in the next videos, I'm gonna do the interaction scripts and much more. So let's begin. Currently I have the scene where I just have a scene named game. So if you're curious, this is just a 3D project. It's not AGIP or URP, it's just 3D, standard 3D. Okay, so right now I just have an empty scene without anything, with just a main camera and directional light. And then you're gonna have to import the standard assets pack, which is very important because we're gonna use the first person controller from the standard assets pack. And so all I have to do is just go to the standard assets pack on the asset store and then just install it like this. Here we go. Then just click on download and then import. Then after you've completed the download, you can continue watching the video. So see, I already have imported the asset. And the first thing I'm gonna do in my map is I'm gonna create a 3D object, and then I'm gonna create a terrain. Terrain just like that. Here we go. The terrain is actually very big, so I'm just gonna change it to not terrain width, no 1000, but to 500. Next, I'm gonna change the length to 500 as well. So it's like double. So it's like double the size of the terrain, the normal terrain now. Okay, now I'm gonna drag in the characters, and then I'm gonna change the first person prefabs, and then drag in the first person controller. Here we go, and now I'm going to center it on the y-axis a bit more. I mean on the y-axis. Okay. I'm gonna center on the y-axis a bit. So this should be a great axis for it right now. So next I'm going to try and run the game. So all you should see right now is just a player who's able just to move around, jump, walk, and so on. So it's not much of a game. It's just a player without any move, like no interactions, no map, nothing. I'm going to rename the name of the object player, and then I'm gonna unpack prefab completely. And now I'm going to go into environment. Here I should see the water. So my plan is I should make a bit like an ocean. So it's like be like an island. So I'm gonna go on the terrain. And first probably I'm gonna just take the player and drag it up for now. Take the terrain, and then I'm gonna click on this brush tool, and then I'm gonna select raise or lower terrain. I'm gonna select probably this texture, and then I'm going to paint. Something like that, I guess. Okay, let's see. Change the brush size to smaller. Okay, looks much better. More like an island. I just have to make it so that it more looks straight, not just like a mountain in the water. So I'm gonna drag in the opacity and the brush a bit. Something like this. Almost. So just do this, and over here I have to change the terrain height a bit. Okay, this should be quite good. And now, I guess I'm gonna just make the terrain bigger now. Let's make it 1000. Let's see. Oh no, 100, 1000. Here we go. Terrain is more like bigger. Here we go. Next I'm gonna go. So I still have the file explorer. I'm going to still have it on the water folder. So I'm just gonna select the prefabs, then water pro daylight. Drag it into the scene. But now it looks kind of weird because it's very small, and I'm just gonna make it bigger. And then I'm going to make it so that it covers part of the map. And now so the player is over here, so I'm gonna change the position of the player so that he's like somewhere over here. Okay, okay, let's do it somewhere on the ground. Oh, like that. And okay, that should be good. Like that. Now let's run the game and see for ourselves. And okay, so see, I can move around. So I have this terrain. I can like walk. I can climb. And I see the water is below. Okay, so there shouldn't be any problem with water. It's just kind of, so I see the ends, which I really don't like. So wireframe. See, so the edges are there. I'm gonna change the waterfall. I'm just gonna scale it a bit, so a bit like bigger. Now let's see. This more looks like a ocean type of map. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by click on the terrain. Then I'm gonna just going to paint trees, edit trees, add tree, and then I'm going to add this broad leaf tree. Add, and now it's shaded. I'm going to player, and go back to terrain. I'm going to draw the trees over here. So tree density is a bit too serious. See, so I'm just gonna drag and I'm gonna draw the trees everywhere like this. Something like this. There's more trees over there. And then I'm gonna add another tree. And then this is probably gonna be the conifer tree. and I'm just gonna make it over there as well. So it's more like wooden, like, so there's a better map too. So now okay, so let's try running the game. Is looking at the trees. Wow, this looks actually quite good. So we see this like forest. I can't go into the dark. I see the trees are they're perfect actually. And I can't like go through them, which is because the last time I tried this technique with the trees, I could go through the trees, but these trees are great. Okay, so this is great. Okay, so I'm probably gonna change the terrain, paint texture. See the current textures we have. I do have a grass hill albedo. We'll create it, and here we go. It's green. I'm gonna change normal map to um. I'm gonna change the normal map to use normal map of the texture to search grass. We shouldn't probably, because there's no map already in there, so let's just not use anything like that. Now let's run the game. Let's see. Okay, here we go. This is our forest. Let's see this. Let's try passing through this. Okay, I passed through that. Now let's see the water. The water looks quite good, so let's see. Oh yeah, it actually is good. So in there's nothing but like this. I shouldn't be able to go too close to water, so this is perfect. Okay, so this is our map. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe for future content and videos like this. And also, if you didn't download the free asset I posted on my website, go check it out. The link is in the description. And thanks so much for watching the video again, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye.